CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.2, Explain Methods to Secure Devices and Best Practices. Device Use Best Practices. Before diving headfirst into downloading some shiny new software, it's essential to do a bit of detective work and exercise some common device and software best practices. When obtaining software from original equipment manufacturers or third-party websites, it's essential to validate the source. Always ensure the legitimacy of the provider by checking for certifications or other indicators of their validity within the industry. But validation shouldn't stop at initial impressions. Dive deeper by searching for user reviews, expert opinions, and any signs that might suggest the software isn't as it claims to be. In the digital realm, it is all too easy to be tricked into downloading malicious software. In Windows, a utility referred to as User Account Control, or UAC for short, serves as a protective mechanism for your device against malicious software downloads, just in case you were a bit lazy in your personal validation process. Whenever software or an application attempts to make significant changes on a Windows device, UAC intervenes by prompting the user for permission. This proactive approach ensures that only changes authorized by the user are implemented, offering a layer of protection against unwanted installations. By acting as a gatekeeper, UAC ensures that only trusted software can modify the system, enhancing the overall security of the device. Another best practice to keep the attacker at bay is to remove any unwanted or unnecessary software. Over time, your computer can get cluttered with software you no longer need or never wanted in the first place. And each piece of software is essentially a door or window, providing access into your device. The more pieces of software you have, the more entry points there are for potential threats. By removing unwanted or unnecessary software, you're effectively reducing these potential entry points, bolstering your computer's security. So, don't forget to do a little digital spring cleaning from time to time. Out with the old, in with the security, and maybe, just maybe, your computer will stop judging you for all those unused apps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.